If 8x plus y equals to 4, then find the value of 81 to power x multiply square root of 3 to power y. To solve this, the first thing I am going to do is to rewrite this term of 81 is also equals to 3 to power 4 to power x multiply square root of 3 is also equals to 3 to power 1 by 2 to power y. This is equals to 3 to power 4x multiply 3 to power y. 2. For the multiplication of exponents with the same base, we know that a to power m multiply a to power n equals to a to power m plus n. So this simplifies to 3 to power 4x plus y 2. Now multiply and divide by 2 in the powers of 3. Multiply by 2, divide by 2. This simplifies to 3 to power 4x multiply 2 is 8x plus y divide by 2. Here 8x plus y equals to 4. So substitute this 3 to power 4 divided by 2, which is equals to 3 to power 2 and equals to 9. So 9 is the correct answer for this term of 81 to power x multiply square root of 3 to power y.